Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use phone as webcam on TikTok Live Studio. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This method works on both iPhone and Android devices, and it's a great option if you don't have a dedicated webcam. First of all, open up an internet browser on your computer and search for Droid Cam. From the results, click on the official website droidcam.app. Once you're on the website, scroll down and click on Install Droid Cam on your computer. Now select Windows Setup and download the installation file. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and run the Droid Cam installer. Just follow the on-screen steps to install it on your computer, and once it's finished, click Finish. Next, open up the Start menu on your computer and launch the Droid Cam application. Now we need to set things up on your phone. Head over to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. In the search box, type Droid Cam and download the official Droid Cam webcam app. Once it's installed, open the app and press Continue, then tap OK. You may see a few permission pop-ups. Make sure you press Allow for all of them, including camera, microphone, and Wi-Fi access. The most important step here is to make sure that your phone and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Without this, the connection won't work properly. Once that's confirmed, go back to the Droid Cam app on your computer and click on Click to add a device. As long as the app is open on your phone, you should see your device appear in the list. Select it and click Add Selected Device. After a few seconds, you should now see your phone's camera showing up as a webcam. Now we're ready to use this inside TikTok Live Studio. Open TikTok Live Studio on your computer and click on the plus icon next to Sources. Select Camera, then click Add. In the Camera drop-down menu, choose Droid Cam Video. One thing to keep in mind is that TikTok only allows this feature if you've gone live at least 3 times before, and each live session must have been 25 minutes or longer. Finally, click Add Source at the bottom of the page, and your phone will now be working as a webcam inside TikTok Live Studio. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use phone as webcam on TikTok Live Studio. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.